Watch how I self-install Senegalese twists and put them in a gorgeous updo. You can do this on braids, locks, or any other loose style. And I'm in the process of installing Senegalese twists in my hair. I'm using Expressions brand braid hair, and I've cut it, the long pack, into fourths. So I took it in half, cut it, and cut it in half again because I don't want them super long. So I decided to make a quick tutorial about how I install the kinky twists or the silky twists in my own hair, because people are always amazed at how I can do my hair myself, and I don't really think it's that difficult with practice. The first time I put braids or twists in my own hair about 15 years ago, it was not cute at all, but with practice things get better. So just quickly, I'm going to show you how I make the sections, how I prepare the hair, and how I install it on my hair. And then in a separate tutorial, I will talk about how I style them.
I am really late making this video, and I'm now going to be taking these braids out. I'm trying to find the best light, so I'm squinting because I'm in full sun. I'm hoping that when I turn around you'll be able to see what I do with these twists. I wanted to show you how I do one of my updos that I always get compliments on. It's really quick. People say, oh, it looks like somebody else did it for you. It looks like it takes ages, but it really takes about 5 or 6 minutes. So what I do is I take half of my twists and I put them out of the way. So I just take them, either put them in a braid or a ponytail or something, so it just leaves the back. And then I start from the back first. And then I turn around, I flip all the twists to the front, and I start doing a flat twist. So I just finished twisting, and then I tuck the end into the top. Then I take the front, so I take a section on the side. Just do a 2-strand twist. I'm going to bring it over to this side and bobby pin it in. Lost my bobby pins. Take a regular do the same thing, you adjust it to fit however you want. I can't exactly see what I'm doing. Then you do the same thing on the other side, just a 2-strand twist. And right now I don't know where another bobby pin is. And you fix it to the other side. For these purposes I just tucked it in there, but you'd want to bobby pin it to make sure it's secure. And then take the rest of it. I'm going to do another flat twist using the twist. So take 2 sections, use my thumb and my pointer finger as the main fingers. Take your first section, slide your pointer finger underneath, because you're going to use this to scoop the next bit of hair from the other hand. Same thing, you can take the group of hair that you just had, you're going to add a few twists underneath it, take your pointer finger, slip it under, scoop the other section plus another few pieces of twists. And then you flat twist or 2-strand twists down to finish it. And then you bobby pin this as well. I'm going to try to tuck it since I don't know what I do with my pins. So this is basically it. I hope that was helpful.